Welcome back to my 31 days of summer barbecue. Now we have tons of barbecue recipes coming out over the next month. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a trick and you catch every single one. Day 12, curry dog. Let's get it. Now a barbecue isn't complete without a hot dog, but when we're talking hot dogs, I like bratwurst. They've got a little bit more character and they hold onto smoke beautifully. We're pairing this bratwurst with a stunning curry sauce. The sauce lies on a base of ketchup. Grab your ketchup, put it straight into the pan. Following that, we've got this, the beer. This could be any beer that you desire. I like Duvel because it just brings a good strength that you can feel through the back of the curry sauce. A good squeeze of honey. Now it ain't curry sauce without curry flavouring, and for that we've got this mild Madras curry powder. You can make your own, you can use whatever you want. If you like it spicy, use a hot one. If you don't, use a mild one. Good tablespoon of that straight in. Now we've got the body, the balance, a good ingredient in all cooking, garlic. It comes in the form of powder. Good sprinkle of that, just to bring a little bit of roundness, bit of richness, a little bit of that sort of back note heat that you get from good garlic powder. Smoky paprika, because we want the smoke in the sausage, the smoke in the sauce. It makes sense. Good hit of colour as well, and some dribs of the governor English fish sauce, Worcestershire. Now the last ingredient isn't one you'd normally expect. It's baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. Just brings a real authentic flavour to this curry sauce. Now all that's left to do is bring this up to the heat, stir that for about 5-10 minutes, just so it bubbles through. All that bicarb activates and then disappears, just leaving behind that balanced, round, savoury flavour. Now while that's making, you just want to stoke the grill, make sure you've got it set up for direct cooking. Plenty of coals in there, kicking out some serious heat. Now the coals are nice and hot, the barbecue's pretty much preheated. Get your grill, you want to put that in for about 10 minutes, just so it starts to collect that heat, so we get those iconic, beautiful bar marks that are classic on a great bratwurst. Keep the lid down. Our sauce is sweet, it's spiced, it's delicious, and it's cooled down, which is good because we're just about ready to grill the sausages, the bratwurst. Get that smoke, get that heat impaired into the bratwurst, so we end up with a lovely smoky dog. This is a small baguette. I've just toasted it in the oven. You can get these from the bakers, you can get it from the supermarket. Get just hot dog buns if you're that way inclined. For me, I like a big crunchy baguette. Take a serrated knife and just cut down the length of that thing, making sure you don't cut all the way through so there's a little hinge at the other side. Now, our grill is hot, the embers are red, and we're ready to cook. We're just going to take our bratwurst out of the pack, very simply lay them onto the grill. At this stage, you want your barbecue set up for direct cooking. We're going to shut the lid to keep the intensity of heat, so we caramelise the sausages. Now at this stage, they've been grilling on there for about 8, maybe 9 minutes. They're golden brown. We've turned them every now and again just to make sure we don't burn the sides. You want a beautiful golden brown, sizzling, smoked sausage, which is exactly what we have. Now take them out. When they're still spitting and popping, full of heat, full of life, stick them straight in your bun. You could probably fit 2 in, to be honest. And then you just want to drape that sauce, that beautiful, sweet, smoky curry sauce all over the top. Crispy onions, you can make them, you can buy them. To be honest, life's too short and there's some really good products out there. And this could be sauteed, this could be crispy garlic, this could be anything you desire. And what you end up with is this stunning, hot, sweet, smoky curry dog, full of smoke, full of flavour, full of depth, those crispy onions, the bicarb just sort of balancing the bitterness of those spices, all working in unison, so you end up with this stunning curry dog for your summer barbecue. Alan,